Today we're going to be checking out the second coin in a series of 3. The series is the 250th anniversary of Captain James Cook's Voyage of Discovery, and this is the 2019 £2 Brilliant Uncirculated coin. The first coin came out in 2018, and the third one, the final coin, will be out in 2020. But let's check this one out. This is how it arrived in the Royal Mint handbag. And I'm going to do my usual thing now, where I open mine up, so that if you've bought this and don't want to open yours, you can see all the information that you get inside. So there we go, with the packaging off, that is the front. And the back, which we'll check out in a second, with the coin specifications. And I'm going to do my usual thing, where I open it up and show you each part of the card, just long enough for you to read, but if I am moving too quickly, just feel free to pause it and read it at your own pace. This, of course, is the second coin, and I was quite interested to see how each of these was going to slot together once they were all released. So in a second, I will actually cut to how it all slots together with part 1 and part 2. But for now, let's just check out this little part on the back. And then the coin specifications. So the issuing authority, United Kingdom, inner alloy, copper nickel, outer alloy, nickel brass. The weight is 12 grams, diameter 28.40 millimeters. The quality is brilliant uncirculated. Obverse designer Jody Clark and reverse designer Gary Breeze. And it says here about the second coin in the series. So let's check out the coin itself. I'll just find the obverse of the coin to show off first. There it is. And now let's actually look at the design on the reverse, which I think you'll agree is absolutely amazing. Look at that. This part in the middle that just looks completely raised. Stunning. And of course, with the brilliant uncirculated finish, it just absolutely shines. So like I said, what I'm going to do now is, let me just bring in the first coin in the series, which was this one, and I'm just going to cut now to showing you how these two presentations actually come together. So this is how the presentation looks so far. This is coins 1 and 2 from the series of 3, and we'll be adding the third one on. This will obviously go in this side, as you can tell from the map. And all you have to do this is slot one of the coins behind the other into its corresponding hole, and then it all makes sense. So let me just try and show off the map and all the information that you get. Just scan that briefly. And then of course, this is now how the presentation of the coins looks. So that's pretty cool. And then nothing else really interacts, but on the bottom, there will be all the information running along. So yeah, that's how it all looks. I think that's pretty cool, and I can't wait for the third one. So there we have it, the second coin in a series of 3, and I can't wait until next year to finish this collection off and see how it all comes together. But let me know in the comment section below, have you started collecting this series? And if so, have you gone for the brilliant uncirculated editions, or have you maybe gone for the proof? Let me know in the comment section below, because that always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.